What is photosynthesis, and how does it work in biology? Imagine a process that turns sunlight into the food that fuels almost all life on Earth. That process is called photosynthesis, and it happens inside green plants, algae, and some bacteria. It is the way nature makes energy from sunlight, which is essential for life as we know it. Photosynthesis mainly takes place in tiny structures inside plant cells called chloroplasts. These contain a green pigment called chlorophyll, which captures sunlight. The process has two main parts: light-dependent reactions and light-independent reactions, also known as the Calvin cycle. In the first part, light-dependent reactions happen in the membranes of the chloroplasts called thylakoids. When sunlight hits chlorophyll, it excites electrons, causing them to move through a chain of proteins. This movement creates energy molecules called adenosine triphosphate and nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. During this process, water molecules are split into oxygen, protons, and electrons. The oxygen is released into the air as a waste product. Next, the light-independent reactions occur in the surrounding fluid called the stroma. These reactions do not need sunlight directly. Instead, they use the energy stored in the adenosine triphosphate and nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate to turn carbon dioxide from the air into glucose, a type of sugar. An important enzyme called ribulose bisphosphate carboxylase helps fix the carbon dioxide into organic molecules, which eventually form glucose. The overall chemical equation for photosynthesis is 6 molecules of carbon dioxide plus 6 molecules of water, powered by sunlight, produce 1 molecule of glucose and 6 molecules of oxygen. This process is vital because it provides oxygen for animals and humans to breathe and creates the organic compounds that serve as food for nearly all living things. Understanding how photosynthesis works helps you see how energy moves through ecosystems and how plants support life on Earth. It connects to many other biology ideas, like how cells produce energy, how plants grow, and how the environment is affected by changes in light, carbon dioxide, or temperature. Knowing the stages of photosynthesis, the role of chloroplasts, and the enzymes involved can help you answer exam questions confidently. Recognizing factors that influence the rate of photosynthesis, such as light intensity, carbon dioxide levels, and temperature, is also useful for experiments and real-world applications like farming and environmental management. In short, photosynthesis is the process where plants capture sunlight to make glucose and oxygen. It involves 2 main stages: the light-dependent reactions that generate energy carriers and the Calvin cycle that builds sugar from carbon dioxide. Mastering this concept helps you succeed in senior year biology by connecting cellular functions to larger biological systems and understanding how life sustains itself on our planet.